Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create drop down list in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to create a drop down list, so what you have to do here, you will see I have created a drop down list here, and the question is what is your birthday month, and then you can click on it and you can choose any of the months. Okay, and then here you will see second question is do you celebrate it. Now you will click on the cell and you can choose yes or no. Okay, so how to create it? So what you have to do, so I have created one sheet here, the same question, and I will show you how to create that. So first, before doing anything, you have to create one sheet, and there you have to type all the months name. Okay, and then again, now to create drop down list, you have to click on the cell where you want to create, and then you have to go to data. Then here you will see data validation option, click on it, and then here you will see allow any value, click on it and go to list, click on list, and then here you will see is it will ask for source. Okay, now click on it here, then go to second sheet, choose all the month, enter, then click on OK. Now you will see month's name has been appeared, so you can choose any one of them. Now in second, what you have to do, again do that, go to data, data validation, list, and here you don't have to select any cell, you have to just type yes, comma, no. Okay, now click on OK. Now you will see you can choose any one of them. So like this you can create drop down list in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.